Hey guys, I am back and today our video is about April's Ipsy bag. How adorable is this bag? I mean, like, the mauve-y kind of tone. I'm not a huge fan of like pink and frilly and girly stuff, but I don't know. I'm obsessed with this. It's so cute. I love it. First off, I did already peek into this month's bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the things that I had received. The first item is this Pretty Woman nail polish, and I have it in the shade Girl Boss, and this is a very kind of mauve-y toned nude, I guess. I think I have gotten a polish from Pretty Woman before, but I am really happy with this color. I think it's super pretty and I'm really excited to play around with it. Next, I have this Ciate London Starstruck double-ended stamp liquid liner. That's a mouthful. And so on one end, you have a stamp and it's of a little star, and that's just super fun and cute. And then on the other end, you have kind of your typical felt tip brush. Next up, we have a lip gloss in Nude Beach by Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. This gloss looks extremely sparkly, so we will just have to see how that goes on the face. And we have a Skin & Co. Roma, and this is the Truffle Therapy Cleansing Cream. I have tried this out. I've only done it once so far, and I wasn't a huge fan of it. The scent wasn't horrible. It was just kind of strong, and my skin, after I was done using it, felt kind of, I guess, kind of tight. I wouldn't necessarily say that's a bad feeling. I just felt the need, like I had to put something that felt a lot more moisturizing on my skin, so I did like kind of my concoction of oils. So I'm still gonna kind of play around with it and see how it goes. They did give me a sample, so I'll probably use it all up as long as it doesn't break me out. And then last but not least, we have the Delectable by Cake Beauty. And this is the Ultra Nourishing Hand Cream. And this is the scent Sweet Mint. And this actually smells pretty good. I don't smell much of a mint though in it. I mean, if you're, if you're naming it Sweet Mint, but you don't really smell any mint. Well, no, a little bit of mint, but it's not very strong. And that is all the things that I got for April's Ipsy bag. I am gonna put them on my face now. I am going to do the liner first, and I'm gonna use it with some tape because I am still not very good with freehanding liquid liner on my eyes. It's really hard for me to do the typical wing like you'll see all over social media. You'll just draw it up, grab it from the tip, and just bring it back in. Because when I open my eyes, it makes my wing look all hella wonky, and that's not cute. It works best when I use tape, so that is what I'm going to do. That's why I don't have my base on or anything else on my face. So I'm gonna do that first. Okay, we have the tape on. I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow or anything like that today. I'm just gonna do the basic wing. I'm gonna go do the rest off camera because this could take me a while. I am going to go do the rest of my face now, and I'll be back for the rest of the products of the video. Okay, now I am going to try that Dirty Little Secret lip gloss. I think, what did I say the shade was? Nude Beach. And this is a really, really sparkly lip gloss. Okay, let's put this on. Okay, why is it that every single time I film, my lips look absolutely disgusting? They are never this bad, you guys. I don't even know what the deal is. Okay, I don't like this smell. It's really strong and it really doesn't even smell that good. This is the lip gloss. I don't like it. The color isn't bad. The color in my lips are very pigmented, so it's really hard to see, I guess, colored lip gloss, because most of them, no matter how like pigmented they are or whatever, it's still a gloss, and so they don't really show up that much on my lips. But this also has a ton of shimmer in it, and the smell is really bothering me. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. I just don't. It's almost like they attempted to make it smell like a sugar cookie, but it's okay. Well, that is it. I am having a really off makeup day today. Aren't those the best? So I am gonna go finish getting ready for church. I will see you guys in my next video. You should hit the little bell to get a notification for every single time I upload, which would be great because I know I'm very inconsistent and I'm trying, I promise. With my health, it's really been kind of bothering me and it's just really been getting in my way, but I'm trying to push through and I'm trying to be regular for you guys and just be more active on all my social medias and everything, and I'm doing my best. So hitting that bell would get you notified every time I do upload. Hit the subscribe button, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Did I seriously have like, what? A piece of fuzz? Little like 90s dance party. Part was always so dramatic. Wait.